Can you see what is wrong with this code? If not, we have a problem. As a senior developer, I often review code, and many times I see the same mistake. Juniors and even mid-developers don't fully understand how the await async works. From first view, it seems simple, you just await stuff and you get it. But, for example, in this situation, it's totally wrong, because each of these methods, to get the temperature, to get the rain, and the wind speed, are not dependent on each other. So you don't need to await the result immediately. Let's say each of these methods takes 2 seconds to execute. If you await the result immediately, then the total amount of this get endpoint will be 6 seconds, because first we will get the temperature, that will take 2 seconds. Only after that, only after we have the temperature, we will call the getRainChance method, and that again will take 2 seconds. And only after that is complete, we will get the wind speed. But you don't need to await immediately. You should await only when you need the result of the method that you're calling. And in this case, it's here. Now, how is it different from what you had before? Now, calling the getTemperature method will not wait until it has finished executing. It will immediately run the following lines to get the rain chance, to get the wind speed. Basically, all of them will be running at the same time, and the only time when we will wait until all of them are finished is when we await for it. This way, this whole get endpoint will only take 2 seconds instead of 6 seconds. Here I have another example, a little bit more complex but still about temperatures. So let's say the getTemperature endpoint accepts a city name as a parameter, and our goal is to calculate the average temperature in multiple cities. Then we will also have a city service that will return a list of city names. So from someone new that doesn't understand awaits, our implementation might look something like this. He will go through each of the cities, get the temperature for that city, and add that temperature to some list, and at the end it will just calculate the average. What will happen in this case is the same as in the first example. Let's say the getTemperature method takes 2 seconds, so for 10 cities it will take 20 seconds. And this is how it should be implemented properly. We will create a task to get the temperature for each city, but we will not await it immediately. We will pass this list of tasks to task when all static method, and it will return us a new task, getTemperatures task. And then when we need the temperatures for each city, we will await this task. In this situation I awaited it immediately, because between this line and when we need the values there's no code in between. But let's say here we had some other calls to other services, then we should do it like this. The rule is to await things only when you need them. I hope this short guide was useful. Bye.